In 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, welcome back, folks, to the first match of the elimination round. We've got two autos going already. We've got one sample up on the red side of the field, another one up on the blue side of the field. Unfortunately, both teams missed their second samples, but they get their third one on Robertex. Looks like their alliance partners, 19446, places that second specimen, going to get a third that they unfortunately miss. Meanwhile, looks like Bella gets their first on there. The score is not too far apart still, so it could be a close match after auto.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, and they're off. Now we have 4 robots moving on the field. Immediately, Robertex starts shuffling some samples from inside the submersible to their top basket. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, looks like 19532 is trying to do the same, but the Red Alliance is getting in their way, trying to get the last neutral sample off the far side of the field. Meanwhile, 19500 keeps shuffling them back and forth. Right now, the Red Alliance has a significant point advantage, but there's still time for the Blue Alliance to make it up. 21393 getting ready to bring some specimens over. Right now, it's taking as many blue samples as possible and bring it over to their human player to get that ready for the end of the match. There's a little bit of defense being played on the far side of the field as 19446 blocks 19532 from getting to the inside of the submersible. And that just allows their alliance partner to load up that top basket with as many samples as possible. There's still a 65, 75 point gap up here as one of the samples falls out of the basket for the Red Alliance. Bella has started bringing over their specimens to that high chamber. They've got a couple lined up. I see at least 5, but they've only got 2 on there right now. They'll need to get all of them to catch up in the points. Looks like 19532 is positioning themselves in a way that will make it very difficult for the Red Alliance to be able to score all of the specimens that they have prepared, which allows their alliance partner to do exactly what they want, which is put every single one of them out there. And that was the end game. So that means that we only have 20 seconds left of this match for these teams to show out what they got, see who gets to move on to the next match in the upper bracket. Looks like 21393 has only 3 specimens left to place. Will they have time in the last 10 seconds? Will any of these teams try to climb? Right now, it looks like all of them are trying their very, very hardest to just get the last points. Unfortunately, the red top basket is so full that their sample falls out. And that is the end of this match. Right now, we have an unofficial score of 195 to 125 for the Red Alliance. That is Alliance number 4. And we will meet. It's going to be a Red Alliance win. Congratulations to our Red Alliance, 239 to 135. So Alliance number 4 will be advancing to match number 3 in the upper bracket. Meanwhile, Alliance number 5 will be going down to